Hey everyone, Dennis here. Today I want to show you how to use Microsoft 365 Backup, the native backup solution for SharePoint, OneDrive, and Exchange. Unlike M365 Archive, which moves sites to cold storage, Backup keeps your sites active and lets you restore when disasters like ransomware, accidental deletions, or overwritten files strike. Let's set it up. In the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, go to Setup, activate Pay-as-you-go services, and then Get Started. This will connect your Azure subscription for billing. The rate is 15 cents per gigabyte per month, and restores are free. Once connected, go to Settings, Storage, and click Backup to turn it on. On the Microsoft 365 Backup page, click Setup Policy under SharePoint. There are a few key things to know. Backups run every 10 minutes, and you get granular restore points for the first 14 days, but later you only get weekly restore points. Select your sites. You can upload the CSV file for a bulk import, use filters, or pick sites manually. Give your policy a name, review the settings, and click Create Policy. That's it. Restore points start generating immediately. Now let's restore. Click Create a Restoration, SharePoint. Select the site you want to restore, then enter the date and time when the site was last healthy. Check Prioritize Backups with faster restoration time. This uses express restore points and can cut recovery time significantly. Once the system finds available backups, confirm the restore point. Now choose your destination. You can either create a new site or restore to the original one. Click Start Restoration. For small sites with Express Restore, expect under 20 minutes. You can monitor progress in the Restoration tab. That's Microsoft 365 Backup. It's native, fast, and built into the Admin Center. Let's do a quick comparison to Archive. Backup costs 15 cents per gigabyte. Sites stay active and the restores are free. Archive costs only 5 cents per gigabyte, but sites become inaccessible. You can use Backup for critical active sites and Archive for compliance retention. One more thing, Microsoft is rolling out granular restore in preview, letting you restore individual files instead of entire sites. I'll cover that next time. If you're interested in learning how the archive works, please check out my other video on this topic.